been to Auckland since like 50 weeks ago, whatever it is. So it's gonna be interesting, but we're looking forward to spending a night at the hotel. We had a voucher, a one-night stay from one of our credit cards, and it was gonna expire end of this month, and we haven't got around to using it, so we just gotta use it. So we spy the sky tower now. We're headed to the hotel.
Okay, room tour time. It's a kind of small one.
So we are at the 4-point Sheraton
In
downtown
Auckland.
Auckland.
Yep.
We're on the 15th floor. Don't know what kind of view we have.
There's our little spot. It's not.
Oh, we don't really have a good sky tower view. I mean, just a...
It's like. Which way is this supposed to even go?
No idea.
There we go. Hey, look, there's a crane. Yeah.
It's Auckland for you.
So here's our little view outside. It's not a bad view.
It's funny, all
But
the
we don't get the tower.
apartments over there have people hanging their laundry out. So typical New Zealand.
Yep. There we go. Yeah. No sky tower, but it's a nice view. Here's our little room.
Pretty
The
basic.
TV. And the bathroom. And that's it. Ta-da.
So we have a handheld shower, I guess. Not bad. Toilet. Sink. And let's see what kind of amenities we have. We have soap, body wash, shampoo, lotion, conditioner. And is this a fridge? Yes, it is. Dang, there's a Whittaker's peanut butter slab.
Is any of that free?
And Crafters Union Sauvignon Blanc from Marlborough, and the Hawke's Bay Crafters Union and Heineken. I don't know, is it? And then is this a little closet? Oh, there's a safe with coffee and tea. And probably the price list. So let's see what they say.
For the things that are inside, I think.
Yeah, so the beers are, whoa, too much. And okay, it's not worth doing it except the coffee and tea because it costs way too much. Even the potato chips cost $7.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But we do have Italian roast tea and Earl Grey tea and Nescafe. And there's a safe, couple wine glasses, little drawers, and hanger, laundry bag, slippers. Pretty basic. What do you think, Brian?
I think comfortable. About to go to sleep now after driving too much.
So we did a little room tour earlier, but we missed something.
We need to make an addition here. Okay? Alright, so there's the window. There's the window. So what we realized is the bathroom has an extra door to it. Oh, look, you can see all the way into the shower. Look at this handy thing. Yeah, you can shower and look outside at the same time. What do you think about that?
Not only that, people from outside can see you shower as well. I mean, if you don't shut the curtains.
Yeah.
I mean, look at... Hold on. That you can literally see inside people's apartments in there. Like, you can see their laundry and their bed. Like, you can see that bed right there. I don't know if you can. I can. But I don't even need a binoculars, and I can see their bed clearly. That's like zero privacy. Like, even that unit here, you can see their bed. Wow.